Are you curious about a career that saves lives behind the scenes? Get ready to dive into clinical laboratory science. Imagine this: you're the detective of the healthcare system. As a clinical laboratory scientist, you decipher the mysteries hidden in blood, tissue, and other body fluids. This career isn't just about routine tests. You're the key to diagnosing diseases, guiding treatments, and even helping prevent outbreaks. With advanced technology at your fingertips, you become a vital part of the medical team. And the best part? There's a high demand for skilled professionals, meaning job security and a path to endless opportunities. From hospitals to research labs, your skills are needed everywhere. Plus, you'll be working in a field that's continuously evolving, keeping your job exciting and impactful. So, are you ready to unlock your future? Dive into clinical laboratory science and become the healthcare hero you were meant to be. Start your journey today.